Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're discussing ArcCoin's massive crash. Investors are left holding the bag as this AI rig coin plummets. Is there any hope for recovery, or is this a complete rug pull? Let's break it down. ArcCoin has been in free fall, dropping 30% in a single day and losing key support levels. After breaking below $0.10, it continued crashing, now down over 60% from its last major support. With its market cap shrinking from $500 million to just $40 million, things are looking rough. Many investors were hoping for a recovery, but the way this coin is dumping suggests heavy insider selling. When a coin crashes this hard without any signs of a bounce, it often indicates a rug pull or failed project. Right now, there are no clear bullish signals on the charts. While some investors might try to buy the dip, the reality is that not all coins recover, especially in a market filled with over 50,000 cryptocurrencies. Some projects rebound, but many never return. If you're still holding, it's crucial to assess your risk. Waiting for a miracle recovery could mean losing even more. Always set stop losses and make informed decisions instead of hoping for a comeback. What do you think about ArcCoin's crash? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto updates.